Wax blockage is one of the most common causes of hearing loss. Impaction can also lead to earache, ringing in the ear, itching, odour and discharge. This is often caused by attempts to clean the ear with cotton swabs. Most cleaning attempts merely push the wax deeper into the ear canal, causing a blockage. At the end of this video I will show you a product which I think is best to clear hardened earwax. But first, if you want to know some simple home remedies to clear earwax, then try these. Number 1. Clear ears with hydrogen peroxide. You're going to need a 3% hydrogen peroxide solution, water and a cotton ball. What you need to do is to mix equal parts of hydrogen peroxide and water to make a solution. Tilt your head sideways with your wax filled ear facing the ceiling. Using the cotton ball, squeeze some of the solution into your blocked ear. Let it settle for some time. Now tilt your head towards the floor so that the extra solution can trickle out. A single use of this remedy should give relief from the blocked ear. So why does this work? Well, even though its chemical name is hydrogen peroxide, it's absolutely natural. It's merely water reinforced with additional oxygen. Hydrogen peroxide can be bought from a medical store and is chemically produced by passing compressed gas through a water solution. It can be used to remove earwax easily. It's also a disinfectant that will keep the ear infections at bay. Number 2. Coconut oil for earwax. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, a dropper, and all you need to do is lightly warm up the oil and use the dropper and pour a few drops slowly in the infected ear. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Now tilt your head to remove the melted earwax. So why does this work? Well, coconut oil is very useful to get rid of earwax. It contains a medium chain fatty acid similar to sebum, hence it can be used without any worry. It is also natural and effective against microbes and it lowers the risk of any infection. Number 3. It's almond oil for earwax. You're going to need almond oil, a dropper, and what you have to do is fill the dropper with almond oil at room temperature. Use it in the same way as coconut oil and you should do this as and when it's required. So why does this work? Well, almond oil is another lubricant that assists in the elimination of earwax. The almond oil softens the wax and makes it easier to remove. These simple home remedies will be good for soft wax, but what product would I recommend to clean hardened wax from ears? Well, according to the American Academy for Ear, Nose and Throat Specialists, irrigation or ear syringing is a much better solution. This is why I would recommend the Here Ear Wax Removal Kit that fits the bill perfectly. This is an easy home remedy to avoid an expensive doctor's bill. The hair cleaning system comes with everything you need to clean your ears. First, you need to apply the ear drops to soften the wax, then let them sit for at least 15 minutes in each ear. Fill a quarter of a bottle with hydrogen peroxide and the rest with very warm water. Attach one of the washing tips, stay seated and place the catch basin under your ear and then simply pump the solution into your ear. Ideally you want to go through the blockage itself, so once the eardrops have softened the earwax, it's time to irrigate. Ideally you want to push the tip past the blockage, this way water is easily pushed past the blockage, ejecting it. The other method of doing it is around the blockage, so if you can't push the tip through or past the blockage, try spraying the solution at the edge of the earwax. This will have the effect of getting water behind the blockage and ejecting it, and it's as easy as that. Everything you need is included. The kit comes with 3 disposable tips, the washer bottle, softening drops, a catch basin and full instructions. And you can also purchase more tips, eardrops and catch basins if required. So to summarise, it's one of the most effective cleaning products on the market. It works better than any other earwax remover for impacted hardened wax. It's inexpensive and it's the very same ear irrigation kits as those used by doctors, but you can do it all yourself at home. It's also simple to use. All you need to do is to use the softening wax drops first, fill the irrigation bottle as described and clean your ears. And the kit's comprehensive and everything you need for ear washing is included. It has over 400 reviews on Amazon with the vast majority being very positive. It's rated 4.5 stars out of 5. Please click here if you want to read reviews or if you want more information or to simply purchase it. There's also a handy video in the link you can watch to see how people use the product. There's also a link in the description below. I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to remove hardened earwax naturally at home, and if you have, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And if you want more information on how to use hydrogen peroxide to clean your ears, then click here on a video I did previously. And I will leave you with a click here link again if you want to view more details on the hair removal earwax kit. Thanks for watching and bye for now.